Why is yawning contagious? Someone yawns, and you suddenly do it too, even if you're not tired. Scientists believe this is linked to mirror neurons, special brain cells that mimic others' actions and emotions. So when you see someone yawn, your brain instinctively mirrors that behavior, almost like empathy in action. It's also a social signal. Yawning may have evolved to sync group behavior, like sleep cycles or alertness levels in tribes, so that yawn chain reaction, it's your brain keeping the tribe in sync. Did just hearing about yawning make you yawn? Comment. If you just did, you're more human than you think.